guys, I'm Bushy, the dev on this game. In the last video, you saw Troller make some additions to the game and see where we're at. And now I'm going to make a thing where you guys can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to make some improved movement because we're having some trouble with that. And I'm also going to give a sneak peek for what we're going to do on our next episode. So, yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so we have this ugly sprite. It's just odd. It's disgusting. Makes me want to throw up all over your lap. Not mine, yours. So now what we're gonna do is just fix that up. So, yeah. So now we have this beautiful sprite. So let's go into Unity. We've officially imported the character sprite. So now we gotta fix up his movement. It's a little bit janky. I'm gonna show you in a second. But, hold on. What's up with my screen? Oh, there you go. Okay, so we're in 2D view. Look at that character. He's adorable. He's still not great, but he can get the job done for now. Okay, playtest. See, look at him run around. That's fine. But still, a little janky. Okay, but see him jumping? That is disgusting. I'll fix that later. I'm probably gonna use a overlap circle all, but let's just open Visual Studio. Now we're finally in Visual Studio, and here's the script. It's absolutely gross. But this is a full overlay, so I can change the future. The world. So now I'm just going to make this a tag, so it can only hit the ground. Which I later mess up. Equals ground. Because see, on collision enter 2D. Other dot tag equals ground. Other dot tag cannot get it. Only on trigger enter 2D can get it. You have to do other dot game object dot tag. I later learned that. Just wait. So see that? It's gross. Why 3 lines? What am I doing? Okay. So let's pretend like I go back into Unity and see a giant error. Where's the error? There it is. Collision 2D is not taken definition for random OSS. Boom, son. So let's go back into this and we can check this up. So now I figure out my daring mistake. And I see, oh, on collision enter 2D, that's not real. And then I forget how to spell for a second, but then I come back and I have to use that. Because I'm not a commoner. Joke. Boom, good job, brother. Now, so this is when I realized that I need a tag for ground, but then I realized that ground is right there. And then I make a platform because the grossness overcomes the play button. But now we're doing this, messing around. 9 minutes left for me to add it. Oh, do you think on the side do a little gaming? Because gaming seems to get a lot of attention, and I like playing games along with making them. So, oh, how about I make games, and me and Troller play games, and then we try to recreate the games that we play, but a lot simpler. Like, say we play something like Bonework, so we try to make like a little physics sandbox where you can climb, shoot, jump around. Seems cool, but I don't have a lot of experience in VR. I want to get into it because I like VR developing. Well, gaming, not developing because I haven't tried it. But it sounds cool. Also, maybe like try and recreate like Carlson 2D. What did I say? But no, because then Danny will make a video about how we made his game and made it 1,000 times worse. But okay. Maybe like a shoot 'em up game, because I'm a big fan of action, but I also like physics, like Boneworks, but I would never be able to make the I could probably make Half-Life Alyx if it was just a shooting and not the graphics or just a hands with a gun. And you can shoot things. But I think climbing and stuff. But back to the thing, I had a platform boring. Nobody knows what I hear. But now I gotta make it work. But also, it doesn't really know because that's the wrong, and Unity is very capital sensitive. So got that, and I'm gonna change that to platform, and I'm assuming I'm gonna capitalize it. And if I don't, that would be a huge waste and make of time. But sorry, I'm lactose intolerant, and I just had some milk, so my cough is going in. It's not. Wait, I can't say those words. It's the unknown bad word. YouTube doesn't like that word. And but I was just gonna, you can see him run around. He can jump around now and fall off the map. Yeah, but let us know if you want to do gaming or recreating games that we've played, because it kind of sounds really cool. Also, I'm probably gonna cut out me saying the sickness word. But so if you hear static, it's not my fault. It's that. It's not anything that you might expect. So you can see him jumping around, and it's very boring. So here we are in Video Studio. Well, Visual Studio. That was very, very bad, because my editing software is Video Studio. Well, yeah, so boring. But now we're gonna get rid of that, because that's just gross, sloppy code. I'm new to Unity, but nothing is excuse for that disgusting code. Also, how do you all feel about other.gamedev equals null is ground equals false? Does that sound cool? So now I'm pretty sure this is a sneak peek where I make something new. But first, let's test out the character, because stupid. Let's test out this. You see the movement goes to negative when he moves to left? Mathematician. So now I'm just gonna run around, move around, and play, because that's what professionals do. And then I'm gonna add a bunch of code. What am I doing? What am I doing though? Please, somebody. What am I doing? So on the enemy file, we're looking at him. Look at him. Look at him go. Okay, now we're importing the sneak peek. Look at it. Oh, I don't have the sprite in. I made the sprite in the next episode for it. I think gamedev live stream should be a thing. So we'll make those. But whoa, look at that name. Enemy. Whoa, look at him. I'll add some components. And now here I am confused on why he won't fall, but then I realized I added 2 log sliders and I didn't add a rigid body. How dumb am I? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe on your device. We're probably going to do some live streams. So if you enjoyed this video, you probably will enjoy live streams and stuff like that. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Subscribe, like, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.